3.
Good morning and welcome to Parent Sessions. Here's what's going on in reading. Our story of the week is Adelina's Wells. Our skill of the week is fact and opinion. We will use context clues to determine if a statement is a fact or opinion. I have two students here to help us demonstrate. Sarah, explain how you can determine if a statement is a fact.
You can determine if a statement is a fact because a fact is something that can be proven, and you can research it by using an encyclopedia or the internet.
Great. All right, Skylar, tell us about an opinion.
An opinion is something you can't prove. It's something that you think.
It's something you think. Give us an example of an opinion.
Well, I think that at the park the swings are the best.
Okay, it's an opinion. Why? Because
I think it and everybody else may not think that.
yeah, great job. Fact or opinion. A fact is something that we can prove, and an opinion is something that we can't prove. It's what we think. We may feel like it's a fact, but it is actually not a fact. Great job. Parents, we are also using a new questioning technique in class. It's called Think, Time, Share. The girls are going to demonstrate Think, Time, Share. Practice this at home with your child to improve their questioning habits. Think. Time. Share. Very good. Well, the thinking, it helps the students remember how to do what, Skylar?
To think before you say your answer.
Right. And what's the time involved in it? What does the time help us with in the sharing?
The sharing helps us because when you're with your partner, they may think something else, and then one of you might have the wrong answer, and then that way you can learn from your peers.
Very good. And the timing, 3 to 5 seconds. So at home when you're using your questioning techniques, make sure that you give your child about 3 to 5 seconds so that their questioning will be a whole lot better. Okay, things to remember this week. We have our test on Friday. Homework for Monday is practice workbook page 114. And to read AR, we should be at 77% of our goal by Friday. And on Tuesday, our homework is practice workbook page 118. On Wednesday through Friday, the students should be studying their vocabulary and preparing for their test. Also, parents, to help your children at home with fact and opinion, this week's activity includes, it says, together with a family member, read a short newspaper editorial. Identify sentences that are statements of fact, statements of opinion, or both. Talk about what clues made you decide to categorize the sentences the way you did. And as always, make sure that your child is practicing the skill of the week.